Weather with Nina. I'm just going to have to do a straight hand to you, Nina, following that sheep.
All right, thank you very much, Linda. Yesterday we had some lovely sunshine. Today the cloud has returned, so a bit of a change from our weather watcher pictures. It's back to a case of grey skies today. There were some hints of brightness at times, particularly around the coast, but for most of us it was a case of the cloud sticking with us through the day and it feeling quite chilly. So no surprises for our weekend forecast, because with that high pressure being very persistent and stubborn across the UK, it is a case of more of the same. For the most part it should be dry, but just like the last few days where we get that thicker cloud, there is always the potential for some light showers. Most of us through the night tonight will be dry, at least with a cloud coverage. It does at least prevent most of us seeing a frost. Where we get some clearer spells, there is always the possibility of temperatures getting down to around freezing, but many of us will be sitting at around about 1 to 3 degrees first thing tomorrow morning. So chilly tomorrow morning, but also rather cloudy. That sunshine once again very limited. It is for more coastal areas where we're perhaps more likely to see just a little bit of blue skies every now and then, but it won't last too long because there's more cloud to roll in through the evening. Temperatures at around 7 to 9 degrees, so they're very similar to the last couple of days. That cloud continues through Saturday night and into Sunday. We could see a little bit of patchy light rain at drizzle at times, but again, temperatures will be sitting at around 2 to 3 degrees first thing on Sunday morning. Through the day on Sunday, the winds are starting to change direction, so there is perhaps more of a chance of seeing a shower. They are still light and well scattered, so for most of us it is going to be a dry day. But temperatures perhaps a degree or so lower, 6 to 7 degrees, and that is signs of things to come. As those winds change direction to more northerly, it is going to get colder through next week. The high pressure isn't too far away, but at the same time, we are just going to see some weak weather fronts tied in with that. Monday and into Tuesday, this cold air sinks its way southwards. That's what introduced the colder air, and then potentially introducing a warm front from the southwest. So that mixture of chilly air and some weather fronts does mean that next week there is still the chance of perhaps some wintry showers. But for the meantime, that air at around about 7 to 8 degrees. So any showers through the weekend will be of rain. Very limited showers for most of us. It's going to be dry, but it should also be fairly cloudy. But be warned, it is going to get colder next week. Linda.
Oh dear. Nina, thank you very much.